Hey there, I'm Brittany Noel, and I'm gonna be your Sunny instructor for today. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a 15-minute treadmill workout. This workout is gonna help you to just get used to being on your treadmill. We're gonna be alternating between jogging and walking. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey Sunny fam, it's your girl Brittany Noel, and I'm gonna be your trainer today. So we're gonna be doing this 15-minute treadmill workout. So let's go ahead and get on your treadmill and let's get started. Okay, first things first, we're just starting off at a nice walk. I want you to make sure that your treadmill is on an incline of a 1.0, just to make sure that you're similar to just walking at a regular incline, okay? So we're gonna make the speed go up a little bit to a comfortable walking. That can be whatever that is for you. My comfortable walk is around a 2.5, so go ahead and come up to speed with that. Just so that you know what we're gonna be doing today for the workout, pretty simple. We're just gonna be doing 2 minutes of walking, alternating that with 2 minutes of jogging, okay? So you can go at whatever pace works best for you. Again, this is meant to be beginner, maybe an intermediate if you are kind of used to that higher jogging pace, but you do what works for you. I always say do fitness that fits you. So whatever is gonna make your body feel good today, okay? Now, couple of things. Wanting to make sure that you're very familiar with your treadmill. So you should, again, know where that incline button is, know where your speed is. I would say your jog should just be somewhere comfortable, somewhere between maybe 4.5 to maybe even up to a 6.57, depending on who you are. Mine usually settles around 5, but again, every treadmill is a little bit different. So you might notice that on one treadmill, you feel very comfortable at one speed, and on another one, it's different. So again, just make sure that you take some time to get familiar with your treadmill. A couple of things form-wise, just try to make sure that those toes are facing forward, heel lines up with the toe. When we do start jogging, want to keep that weight more in the balls of your feet. I always say that you want to jog like a ninja, really nice, quiet, trying not to hear those heels smacking, okay? All right, in about 10 seconds, we're gonna be progressing to our jog. So I have a little preset here. So I'm gonna hit my little preset to 3 and then just go from there. Okay, easy, okay? You're just gonna settle right into this jog, again, 2 minutes. So what'll be nice about this is if you feel like, again, it's been a while since you've been jogging, you really just don't know how good your cardio health is right at the moment, this is a good way for you to just do little short intervals, get your body into it, okay? So now we're really into this. You're gonna keep yourself relaxed, okay? I always say that shoulders are ear poisoning. So keep those shoulders down, nice and relaxed. Sometimes for me, I like to shake out my arms, especially at the beginning of the run, jog, just to stay loose, okay? So if you feel like you need to do that, you absolutely can. We're still kind of in the warm-up phase. And then once you settle in, again, wanna pump those arms. You can either go straight up and down. That's more my sprint form, but usually when I'm jogging, I'm just kind of relaxed, kind of like my fingers are in my pockets. Again, do what works best for you. Everyone kind of has their own comfortable running form, okay? Now, pay attention to your breath. Sometimes I forget to breathe when I'm running, more so sprinting though, but always make sure, again, taking some time, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now you all are lucky because you don't have to talk and run at the same time. I do, but again, we're gonna have some fun here today. So, only a few seconds remaining on this jog. So that's good, right? If you're feeling good, that's a great sign. If you're feeling kind of like, oh, this 2 minutes was a lot, no worries. Again, this is a beginner workout, so as we continue to do this, you're gonna feel like this first interval is a little bit easier. So be good, okay? All right, a couple more seconds and then we're gonna go back to a walk, all right? Okay, gonna go ahead, bring this back down to a walk. Easy, right? Okay. Glad that we feel good after our first interval. Now, for me, I always say it's a lot easier when you picture yourself running other places. So I like to use my imagination a lot. I like to get inspired from different fandoms. I'm really into nerd things. So I always say to use your favorite fandom or show to inspire you. So that could be running through the Forbidden Forest. It could be, if you're a Lord of the Rings person, on their way over to Mordor. It could be your wicked bands, going down the aerobic road, whatever you want to. So use that imagination, pretend like you are your main character and you are on your hero's journey and you are getting there during this workout, okay? So maybe there's danger on your path, that's why you have to jog, and then kind of when you're out of the dangerous way, you're walking now to recover, okay? So again, using your imagination, using your favorite things to fuel your workout can be so impactful and really, really fun, okay? So I'm gonna take a few sips for success. I agree. I hope you do the same. Okay. I say sips for success because sometimes when you take a lot of water when we're running, you get those like jiggly water belly. I don't like the jiggly water belly. So again, a few sips will do. All right, just so you know, in less than 30 seconds, we are gonna be going back to that jog interval, okay? So be prepared, start to kind of figure out those settings on your treadmill and take note of what you need that number to be at a comfortable jog. It can be the same number as last time, or you can increase it. If you felt like it was too intense, you can decrease it. All right, let's do it. All right, 2 minutes at this jog. Again, check in with your body, see how you're feeling. If you need to increase, great. If you are needing to decrease a little bit, also great. Want to just be nice, relaxed. Again, this is a jog, so not putting in too much effort right now. Whatever is sustainable. Now again, on my journey, like I said, I like to use my imagination. So I'm just imagining me kind of running through corridors of my favorite castle, trying to avoid trouble, trying to avoid being seen. I don't want the professor to give me a detention, so that's what I'm doing. I'm sneaking off, okay? So again, think about what you want to do to motivate yourself. We got about 1 more minute at this jog, okay? You got this. Quick reminder, we want to be nice and quiet. Remember, we don't want to be discovered, so you got to be nice and light on your feet. Try not to smack your treadmill. Just nice, easy pawing, kind of like this. I probably don't look that graceful. It's okay if you don't either. We're learning together, okay? All right, breathe it out. You're more than halfway done. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Okay, about 30 seconds left. I'm imagining myself trying to get down to the end of this corridor to sneak into a room so that I can hide from my professor, okay? So, if you're right here with me, we've almost made it there. So just keep pumping your arms and we're gonna be able to hide. So, about 10 more seconds, we'll reach our destination and be able to walk, okay? 3, 2, and 1. Excellent work. Woo. Bring that speed down. Nice, easy walk. 2 more minutes from recovery. Great news. You're more than halfway done with your workout, okay? Give yourself a little pat on the back. I like to do self high five. Don't ask, I'm strange. It works though. Okay, gonna grab a few sips for success again. This isn't fair, I'm having to do 2 workouts. I'm having to talk while I'm jogging. You get to just jog and walk. It's okay though, that's why we're a team. We're both gonna work on sharing the equal stuff. You can cook lunch after, okay? Great. All right, 1 minute remaining on the walk. Again, during this time period, just think about how the last 2 jog intervals went for you. Again, if you're feeling like you could be having a conversation right back at me, that's a good sign. That means you're not overexerting yourself. If you're feeling like you kind of need to grab a sip of water if we were to have a conversation right there. If you are feeling like you are doubled over, like maybe a sign that you went a little bit too hard. And if you're not feeling winded at all, if you're not feeling a little bit of a hot flash right now, maybe not enough on the jog, okay? So just keep that in mind when thinking about the level you want to choose for the next jog interval, okay? Just a heads up, we have about one more, I think, left. Yes, one more jog interval. So again, really, really easy for you to make it through this. Again, very proud of you for doing those 2 so far. So we've got one last interval to do for this jog. So let's get a little more of a push, okay? All right, starting this last jog. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Now, if you're with me on your hero's journey, think of this as the last leg, the last thing you need to do. So whether that is you have to make it up the mountain to deliver what you have, if it is you need to meet a friend to deliver a package in a forest, whatever that hero's journey is for you, this is the last stitch effort that you need to make it, okay? So I'm right here with you. I'm your buddy. You're a little champion. You're the main character. I'm just the side friend here on your journey. You tell us where we're going. We have about 1 more minute to get there. So you got this, okay? Keep it bouncy on those feet. Keep your arms nice and relaxed. Breathe through it. Again, if you're feeling very bold, adventurous, you think you can crank it up 1 more speed, you got this, okay? Because we have less than 1 minute left. This is your last jog of the workout. We're gonna walk to cool down after this and do a little stretching. So you can give it your best effort. This is gonna be great. Again, almost to the end of your hero's journey. Whatever you need to do to make it through in the next 30 seconds, dig deep and you can do it, okay? Breathe in, breathe out, keep focused, okay? We're almost to the end of your journey, whether that's a road, a mountain, a school, hallway, a forest, anything that you're using, a beach, all good. You got 10 seconds, okay? Keep pushing, don't give up. 5 seconds, and 2, and 1. All right, start to slow it down. Really important that you just don't abruptly stop, okay? But I know you wouldn't do that. I've taught you better than that. Okay, inhale, exhale. Great work, okay? Almost done. Like I said, we've got a 2-minute walk. Now, so far, this has been a great workout, right? Are you feeling good? I love that for you. So again, even if you only have 15 minutes for the day, you can still get a really good workout in. You do not feel like you have to feel like you're about to have to take a nap. You don't need to feel like you've pushed yourself to your limits to have had a good workout, okay? Any time that you have to work out is enough time. The amount of effort that you put in, as long as you're feeling regenerated, happy with yourself at the end, then it's great, okay? So let's try to form new opinions about what counts as a workout, what a workout is, right? So again, this was a great workout. You got your heart rate up. You should be feeling good, energized. So again, we're gonna be getting this done in 15 minutes. No excuses. You're not too sweaty, right? Me neither. You could just spritz a little, maybe change your shirt. You're on the way for the day, okay? So 2 thumbs up for that. Again, if you need to grab some sips for success, go ahead and do that. We've got about 30 seconds remaining with this walk. We're gonna do some quick stretches when we're done with this, and then I'm gonna send you out the door, okay? Awesome. All right. Now, some people do like to decrease their speed even more since we're coming to the end of this. Again, you know how coordinated you are, you know how your treadmill works. So if you feel like you need to start slowly decreasing that speed just so that you don't abruptly stop, then go ahead and do that. In about 5 seconds, we're gonna shut off the treadmill. So again, be familiar with how to do that. All right, and it's gonna come to a stop. So we're gonna use our treadmill as a nice little support here. So we're gonna do a little quad stretch. So I'm just gonna hold on. So again, after we do runs, walks, sometimes those quads are feeling a little tight, hamstrings might be a little tight, your calves might be. So good idea is to stretch all those things. Switch to the other side. Now, if you are feeling tension, then you need more time on your stretches, go ahead and do that. Again, I'm just giving you a few ideas here of things that you can do. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do a hamstring stretch. Now, if you have the flexibility to use your treadmill, go for it. If you do not have this flexibility, no worries, just stand in place and go ahead and stretch out your hamstrings like that. So what that would look like would just be you're reaching down, kick standing right here, pulling that toe towards your shin. That's also gonna stretch out your calves. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, just so that you can see right in there. And then like I said, if you did have the flexibility, you wanted to go on the higher, you could absolutely do that, okay? So great work today. I had a blast training with you. Again, I'm Brittany Noel, and I will see you in the next workout. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this workout, then I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. You'll get access to my workouts like kettlebells, dumbbells, strength training, and some cardio equipment. So if you want to see more than that, make sure that you go ahead and download the app today.